Hey everybody, welcome to our all new video with Matt. Today I'm going to show you how to make this emergency heater using just bricks, candles, and a terracotta pot. So stick around, I'm going to show you how. Alright guys, so first thing we want to do this is get ourselves a nice cookie sheet, cooking pan, whatever you guys call it out there. Get yourself a cookie sheet pan that's nice and flat. Alright guys, so the next thing we want to do is to take our two bricks that you have right here guys, and if you just have those small regular bricks, you might need to stack two on each side, but this right here is roughly about 6 inches tall right here guys. What you want to do is stick them on your pan and arrange them with your pot that you're going to use. Here's my pot right here. I'm using this bigger style, and you just want to make sure that it's going to sit on both of those just like that right there guys. You see how it got all that nice space underneath to put different candles under right there. So go ahead, arrange it so that it's going to stay on there and not fall over, not tip over or anything. Go ahead and get it like that, and then we can go ahead and place some candles under here. Alright, and to do that, we're just going to take the pot, stick it to the side. We know it fits right here guys. I'm just going to arrange your candles underneath where the pot would be at guys. Now you see a lot of other videos on here, they're just using one little candle. Like, nah, we want to crank the heat up. So I'm going to put a bunch of candles in there just like that, or how many you have. So now that you have that right there guys, you can make sure again everything's going to be nice and snug under that. Now a lot of these terracotta pots you'll see has a hole right here. You'll need to plug that, or the heat's just going to come right out of that. It's not going to warm up the pot and radiate the heat, right? So what I like to do guys is I just take a quick little a penny or a quarter or something and just stick it right over the top of that hole right there. And just like that, as you can see, I took a penny right there guys, and it caps that hole pretty easy. So now what we need to do is light up our candles. So I'm just going to do that simply by moving my pot out of the way again, and then we will go around to each one of the candles and light them up just like that right there guys. Get all your wicks turned up. You know how on these teapot candles they like to kind of stay down in the wax right there, but yeah, go ahead, get all of your wicks facing upward just like that, and then we'll go around and light each one of those. Alright guys, got all the candles lit now. As you can see, they're burning right there, giving off heat. So now we need to take our pot, stick it right back under that right there just like that. Make sure you got the hole plugged on the top. Take a step back, and there is your emergency heater. Now always remember guys, this is super dangerous, last minute resort right here. Always watch this. And remember, this isn't going to heat up a huge living room or a bedroom or nothing like that. I'm in a small bathroom in our house right here guys, but like I said, this is for emergency purposes, as in your heat's out, can't get nowhere to get warm or nothing like that. You can just make this little heater right here for your bathroom, and it will produce enough heat. It'll warm up this pot right here and radiate the heat. Now it's not going to be super hot, but it'll definitely be a warmer place in your house in case you lose heat. So hope you guys enjoyed that video. Be sure to hit that like button down below for me, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful week ahead. Peace.